What's up, guys? I hope you're having a great day. Today we are going to be talking about Kasina. It is by Mindplace, and it's Advanced Light and Sound Mind Media System. So why am I showing this to you today? Well, not only is this amazing for anxiety and depression or life in general, it's going to help you meditate and get relaxed much faster with a combination of sound and light. But I reached out to them about 3 to 4 weeks ago. I was just browsing online. I came across this. I was like, wow, this is amazing. I want to try it out. So I reached out to them and I said, hey, I got a YouTube channel and it has a huge emphasis on mental health. I think they would love something like this. And I didn't expect much. And then they sent me this product for free to show you guys. So that's amazing. I'm excited to show it to y'all. And I've used it for the past week, and it's amazing. So we're gonna get right into this. I'm gonna show you why it's gold. So there's that. I'll show you the close-up to the console. I'm gonna turn it on, but just in case it doesn't show up great on the screen, I want you to be able to see it. So it's really nifty. I'm gonna go ahead and get it out for you guys. So here is the console. This is basically your mouse or whatever. I'm gonna turn it on so you can see it. It's very nifty. It has an auxiliary cord input right there, the PC USB, and on the bottom, this is where your glasses are gonna go in, and this is where your earbuds are gonna go in. So you're gonna get an experience of visuals and sound. So let me go ahead and show you what these glasses look like. Those are LED lights. They actually produce 255 different shades of colors. Pretty cool. Put these on. I can't see you guys. They're not like see-through glasses, obviously. And these are the earbuds. Very modern looking. So I put those bad boys in. It blocks everything out. These headphones are something else because most headphones, when you put them in, you can still hear outside stuff going on. These, no. That's going to help you concentrate, focus your attention on your session. So what makes this even more cool is that it comes with an SD card. So I'm going to show you this. So you can upload any guided meditation video you can find. You can upload your music from iTunes or your Windows Media Player, and you can listen to music also with the visuals of color. So if you don't want to even do the meditation or the guided meditations or anything like that, or sessions or positive affirmations, which are great, especially if you have anxiety and depression, you can just listen to some of your favorite music and watch the visuals. There are so many different light shows on here. It's unreal. My personal favorite one is the color organ feature. It's actually going to move the visuals with the music. So there's that. Some other things that it came with, guys. Obviously, we have a wall charger for this. It came with additional earbuds and auxiliary cord. And there's also this neat travel bag. So some of you that have fear of flying, or you get stressed out when you travel or go on long trips or out of town, stuff like that, maybe business it requires that you go out of town, you can take this with you. So it's really neat. So some things that this is going to help you out with, guys. It's going to help you get to a more relaxed state much faster because it combines visual with the audio. And I've never seen anything like this before. So this is why I was reaching out to them. I was like, my audience would love this. I would love this. So my experience with it over the past week has been amazing. Nothing short of amazing. I've listened to different sessions that are offered with Mindplace because you can get the sessions through them as well. And I've also gone through all of the color features, and I love every single one of them. It's one of the coolest things, and I stress meditation on this channel all the time. You need to be doing it in the mornings. You need to be doing it in the evenings. It's important. It's important for anxiety recovery, but it's important even if you don't have issues with stress and anxiety. If you're trying to become more successful, if you're trying to become more wealthy, you want to move up in your job, if you're trying to get in shape, different things like this will help focus your mind on that because you can find guided meditation over anything, literally anything. And the fact that this is 8 gigabytes, by the way, you can upload so much stuff to this card, and then here at the bottom of it, there's the slot to put in the memory card. So you can upload anything to it. So that's truly amazing. It's also good for getting rid of undesirable like traits and tendencies. Like, so if you have anger issues, or if you're more sad, you're dealing with that, or if you are feeling lazy, take a break. Put this on, listen to it for about 15-20 minutes, whether it's the music or the guided meditation or any type of session or positive affirmation. Take a break. It's okay. Do it for 15 to 20 minutes. You can take this with you to work and do it on your breaks if you need to. But focus on early in the morning, focus in the evening, right before you go to sleep. This is the time whenever we are the closest to our subconscious mind, and this can make the biggest difference in your life. Some other things it can do, it can help you with accelerated learning, help you get to altered states of consciousness, which that is the idea behind meditation. So guys, I'm going to show you this one more time. Put these bad boys on, and they're kind of stylish, I'm just saying. I like the all white, it's all slick. And in the earbuds, and then here we go. Truly, truly amazing. I want to personally thank Mindplace for sending this to me. That was so kind for them to allow me to show this to you guys. I am putting the link down below in the description in the first pinned comment, so be sure to go check it out if this is something you're interested in. Christmas is right around the corner. This is a great gift. They also have a few other products on their site, so be sure to check it out, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Anytime that I can come across something, amazing like this that can make a huge difference in your life, especially when it comes to anxiety and depression, I'm going to go after it and see if I can show it to you and experience it myself. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, the links are down there below. My description has tons of other resources for getting over anxiety. My social media is there. Like this video if you got some value. Also guys, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about it. Have you ever tried this product? Subscribe if you haven't, and hit that notification bell so you can get updates when I put these videos out. I hope you're having a great day, and I hope you end it on a high note. Thank you so much, guys, for watching.